Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a castle. Let's start out by drawing a line for the ground. Now draw 2 straight lines for the left tower and 2 on the other side for the right tower. Draw the tops of each tower just like this. And connect the 2 towers with a wavy line going across. Draw an arch from the middle of the castle for the drawbridge, and add some vertical lines for the wood. On each of the 2 towers, draw a long, thin window. And at the tops of each tower, draw some flags. To add more detail, you can draw a few rectangles to represent the bricks. You don't need to draw all of them, just a few will be enough to get the idea across. And now you've got a castle.